Well, Jim, this is a beautiful car. This is
Thank you, Dennis.
a 72 BMW 3.0 CS.
CS, that's right.
Now, you know, this is a pretty unique car anywhere, but Cruisin the Coast, this is I mean, I guess you're in the European car section. You are
that's
the
it.
European car section.
That's it. I'm it.
You're
I'm the only one that's here.
You're looking at it. But what a neat car. Now, you've told me this, you've had this for some time.
It's been in our family for 25 years now. Yeah.
Wow. And
my brother bought the car in Denver, and he owned it for about 7 or 8 years, and I've had it. I fell in love with it, and I told him if he ever sold it, I want it. And so I've had it for about 18 years.
That is just fantastic. Now, this was one of the early cars that BMW imported. Started out with the 2002, which actually put BMW on the North American map.
Right.
But this came somewhat shortly after?
That's right, yeah. In 71, 72 is when the 3.0 CS came out.
And you know, the 2002s are great cars, but they're a little bit boxy. This is beautiful though. I mean, this is a real Euro-looking sedan.
Right.
And it, you know, I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. And the color's kind of interesting. It's sort of a steel blue.
Right. They call it Fjord Blue.
Fjord.
F-J-O-R-D.
Not Ford. Fjord. Fjord
right.
Blue. And would that have been the original?
It's kind of an ice blue.
Yeah, yeah. And would that have been the original color for this car?
That is the original color, absolutely.
I mean, it's gorgeous, and it looks like, I mean, the interior is fabulous too. You must have redone this. But
I did about 5 years ago. Actually, I found a local guy in our small town that had retired from Dallas. He had a large upholstery shop in Dallas and did a lot of custom jobs. And I talked him out of coming out of retirement and doing my car for me. And
because it looks absolutely
he did
factory.
a wonderful job, didn't he?
Yeah, it looks
Look
factory.
At it. And the pattern is all the same, and the color's all the same. So, I mean just like it was when it came from the factory.
The back seats look actually inviting.
They look really comfortable.
They really do, and you don't usually, in these performance sedans, the back seat's usually, you know, an afterthought. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And the dash is just simply elegant. I mean, it's just the gauges you need.
Yeah.
You know, set in a wood grain. It's just
walnut wood. Yeah.
And did you upgrade the stereo, or is that what they came with?
That's what they came with.
That was stock for a Beamer, huh?
Yeah.
Man, I love this car. Yeah, these things, I've always wanted one of these. They're very hard to find though. And even the emblem here, the roundel, that's not just form, it's also function, right?
That's absolutely right. Yeah, it's some of the German engineering, you know. If you look closely, you'll see there's a vent underneath the roundel here, and it helps with the cabin ventilation. So
does it catch water at all though? I mean,
well, you know, if they've got it designed so that if any rainwater gets in there, it drains through a hose originally into the rocker panel.
Well, that's not particularly good.
And yeah, if the rocker panels collected water, if the drain stopped up, and they rotted out. So I rerouted it through the floorboard of the car, and it just dumped straight underneath the car now. So I solved that problem.
Well, you know, and you get to the back, again, just a beautiful Euro sedan. But when I get back here, Jim, it looks actually Alfa Romeo to me.
Right, and there's a lot of debate about who designed the car. You know, BMW had some input, but I think the House of Patrone in Italy had a large influence on the design of the car.
That would explain it. Yeah, and I was looking at these, they actually look like fuses, but they're lights, right?
That's right, they're lights for the license plate.
Wow.
Exactly.
That's wild. But it's single exhaust. I'm sort of surprised at that.
A single exhaust, actually it's dual exhaust all the way back to the last muffler, and then it's single exhaust.
Oh, interesting.
A larger single exhaust coming out the rear.
But it's a 3.0, so it's a 3-liter engine, right?
It's a 3-liter inline 6.
Let's go look at it.
Okay, you bet.
Open her up, Jim.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Man, it's been so long since I've seen one of these, I forgot what it looked like actually, but yeah, it's an inline 6, but she's canted over a bit. It's not sitting straight up and down.
Right, slightly leaning over.
I imagine that's just to keep the profile of the hood lower, because otherwise, you know.
Yeah, as you can see, it's crammed in there pretty good.
Yeah. Massive brake booster, and this is a
radiator overflow reservoir.
And it's brass?
It's brass, that's right.
And what carburation?
Okay, we got dual Solex Zenith carburetors, so think synchronization.
Yeah. You got to be good at that.
I'm getting good at it.
Yeah. And what kind of horsepower?
It's about 190, 195.
So, you know, for a car that doesn't weigh all that much, it's probably pretty zippy.
It performs really well.
4-speed?
4-speed.
Man,
manual,
oh man.
yes.
Has the engine been gone through too, or?
No, the engine is original. It hadn't been touched. You know, from
How many miles?
170,000 miles on
So,
it.
well, they're pretty bulletproof anyway, so.
The M30 engine is bulletproof.
Man.
Absolutely, yes.
It is, yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Close it back up, man.
Sure.
So you're from Mississippi, right? You're from this
Yeah,
neck
about
of the-
50 miles north of here.
And you come to Cruisin?
This is my second year bringing a car here. Now we've been here many years. And,
Yeah.
you know, I've driven the car for a lot of years, and I said, well, hey, I'm just taking. I saw there's a little bit of everything here, so I said, why not?
I bet you're the only 72.
Yeah, I tell you, you got to be a little brave to bring it in here.
Well, I tell you, I saw people looking at it, and I saw you over at Bay St. Louis yesterday. Tracked you down here at Ocean Springs today.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. Jim, thanks for bringing it out. 1972 BMW 3.0 CS, right?
That's right.
The ultimate driving machine.
Absolutely.
Thanks, man. That's beautiful.
Thank you.